विधानसभा उपस्थापित है सीएजी रिपोर्ट। अर्थमंत्री निरंजन पुजारी रिपोर्ट उपस्थापन करिसेंती। अनुमोदित परिमाण ठारू अधिक लुहा पथर खनन सत्वे लीजधारी ठारू आदाय होई पारिनी 456 कोटी टंका। खनिज द्रव्य रियाती एमसीआर नियमावली 1960 नियम 22A अनुजाई अनुमोदित माइनिंग प्लान अनुजाई लीजधारी माने खनिज उत्तोलन करबा कथा हेले अनुमोदित माइनिंग प्लान सह उत्तोलित लुहापथर परिमाण को तुलना कले यह 8,21,000 मेट्रिक टन अधिक। ए बाबद लीजधारी मानक ठारू 456 कोटी 46 लाख टंका आदाय होई पारि नाही। खनि जुग्म निर्देशक उक्त अधिक परिमाण खनन उपरे क्रय मूल्य आदाय करिनाहंती। विधानसभा रे राजस्व क्षेत्र पई उपस्थापित सीएजी रिपोर्ट रे एहा उल्लेख रहिछि। आज विधानसभा अर्थमंत्री निरंजन पुजारी भारतर महालेखा नियंत्रक तथा महासमीक्षक सीएजी रिपोर्ट उपस्थापन करिसेंती।
निर्धारण समय रे कोइलार रन ऑफ माइन मूल्य रे साइजिंग देय को अंतर्भुक्त करिबा फल रे 41.5 कोटी टंकार रॉयल्टी स्वल्पारोपण होइथिला एवं जातीय खनिज अनुसंधान ट्रस्ट एवं जिला खनिज प्रतिष्ठान पांठी प्रति अवदान रे 13.28 कोटी टंकार स्वल्पादाय होइथिला। रॉयल्टी रा विलंबित प्रदान उपरे 9.35 कोटी टंकार सुध एवं डेड रेंट और सरफेस रेंट रा विलंबित प्रदान उपरे 22.3 लाख टंकार सुध असूल करा जाई नथिला। डेड रेंट बाबद रे 51.04 लाख टंका और सरफेस रेंट बाबद रे 53.56 लाख टंकार दाबी करा जाई नथिबा कारण उक्त राशि असूल न होई पड़ी रहिथिला। सेही परि साजसज्जा पथरर उपयोगी वर्ज्य परिमाण को सर्वाधिक उत्पादन परिमाण रे अंतर्भुक्त करा नजिबा फल रे 30.96 लाख टंकार स्टाम्प शुल्क और निबंधन फी क्षति होइथिला। खनि उपनिर्देशक राउरकेला द्वारा बेसरकारी जानवाहन ओजन मापक यंत्र रे नियोजित सरकारी कर्मचारी वेतन अंश संग्रह और सरकारी खाता रे जमा करा जाई नथिला, जहा फल रे बेसरकारी जानवाहन ओजन मापक यंत्र मालिक माननकु 1.02 कोटी टंकार अनुचित लाभ मिलिथिला। सो एई भलिया गुडाए पैरा आपण देखिबे आम रिपोर्ट रे बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग पैराज अछि। With this, I request my colleague Ms. Smriti to take forward this evening's matter, and she should put forth the report of General and Social Sector Audit in front of you.
So as sir mentioned, there were two reports laid today. This is the second one, which is CAG's audit report for the general and social sector for the year 1920. This is report number 5, and this was laid under Article 151 of the Constitution. So I'll just go through the important findings. All of you already have a copy of the press brief. So there was an audit done this year of the water quality management in urban areas of Odisha. So the findings here are that it was noted that against a target of 115 water testing laboratories to be set up at different levels, only 22 water testing laboratories, that is 19%, were in place as of March 2019. Inadequate number of water testing laboratories affected the overall outcome of providing quality drinking water in urban areas of the state. Then 14 water treatment plants were test checked, and of these only 3 had water testing facilities in place. Only one laboratory managed to conduct all the prescribed tests that were laid out. In 11 out of the 14 WTPs which did not have testing laboratories, 5 WTPs had not conducted any tests, and other 6 conducted tests on only 1 or 4 parameters. This affected the supply of drinking water because the required tests were not being conducted. PHEO engaged Spectro-Analytical Lab, SAL, for the establishment of a state-level laboratory, as well as to establish a number of laboratories at the PH divisional level. So these were also audited on a test check basis. We test checked records of the PPP laboratory at Balasore and at Puri, and it was reported that WTL operated under PPP did not carry out all the tests that were prescribed, and only 29 of the 33 were being carried out. And this was mainly because these laboratories had not been equipped to carry out all these required number of tests. The state level laboratory started functioning from March 2018 under the PPP module. However, the quality vigilance at the state laboratory was limited to only 10 divisions, since no samples were being drawn and tested in respect of other 9 divisions. Testing on all prescribed parameters was not done even in the state laboratory due to non-availability of equipment. Then in respect of samples that were drawn from production wells and in respect of hand pump tube wells, there was an average shortfall in testing of 87 to 93% during 2016 to 19.
आज विधानसभा रे सीएजी रिपोर्ट उपस्थापन करथिले अर्थमंत्री एवं वर्तमान आपण देखुथिले अकाउंटेंट जनरल विभुदत्त बसंतिया प्रेस मीट रे उपस्थापन करथिले।